Hello, my fabulous kinders, and happy Friday! We are going to be doing something a little bit different in our plant unit today. We are going to be conducting another science experiment. So for this science experiment, we are going to see how water travels up the stems of plants into the flowers or the tops of the plants as they drink up that water. You know from some of the pages you've done that water is one of the essential things that plants need in order to survive. So if you would like to recreate this experiment at home, you need some type of white flower. White is the easiest because then you can see the color a lot more clearly. And I am also going to try it with some celery sticks. I've never done celery sticks before, so this will be a first for me as well. So the type of flower that Mrs. C has chosen to use is called baby's breath. And so I have some baby's breath and I have some celery. I have filled up the water and I've marked it with some tape so I can see where the water starts. And then when we check in a few days, we'll be able to see how much water the plant has actually had to drink. Now, to make it a little bit more exciting, other than just watching the water level go down, we are going to color the water and see if it changes the color of the flowers and the tips of the celery. So I have chosen to use blue food coloring with the celery. I thought it might be a little bit easier to see. And I'm going to try to change our white flowers into pink or red flowers depending on how much water these little guys drink over the next few days. So here we go. We're gonna pour some of this in, do some dips or some drops, make it a nice red color. And oh, we've got a little kitty who's coming to check it out. There's Evie. She's gonna sniff everything so you can see. And I might actually just take the stems and mix that red in. Can you see that happening? And we're gonna leave that, ooh, that's kind of like a reddish purple color. That's a really cool color, I like that. And then we're also going to do the same thing over here with the celery, and I am going to use blue with this one, just so it's not the same. Hey, Evie Bear, what you doing? You sniffing the plants? Okay, so now that the blue is in there, hopefully Evie will get out of our way. There she goes. And then we're going to just mix. You know what? I think I might add a little bit more blue to this. Maybe 2 or 3 more drops, or 4 or 5. That works too. Oh yeah, that's better. A little bit darker. Then we're gonna mix that up. And now I'm just gonna leave them. I'm just gonna leave the plants as they are. And I'm going to check in probably over the next, oh, she's gonna eat all the plants, 2 to 3 days. And we'll see how much the water level has gone down and see whether or not that color has traveled up and through the stems into the tippy tops of our flowers and up and through the celery to the top, and see if they actually got some color as well. So that is our plant science experiment for the week. I will post the results on Monday and we'll see how everything went. Have a wonderful weekend. Hopefully the sun is shining and you can go out and enjoy the days. Take care, my sweeties. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.